Well, it's officially harvest season, which makes it the perfect time to plan a little getaway and maybe see some fall foliage.
Foliage?
Foliage? It's foliage.
Foliage. Guys,
unless you're related to Reynolds Aluminum.
Foliage. I meant foliage. I had COVID for 5 days. My brain's not working right. Vacation rental site Vacasa. Did I say that right?
Yes.
Vacasa. They say that 60% of Americans are planning an autumn escape. Here with some fall travel inspiration, Editor-in-Chief of Travel and Leisure, Jacqui Gifford. Jacqui, good morning.
Good morning. This is going to be a fun one.
Oh,
yes, it is.
All right.
Especially ask about
the Berkshires.
It's Berkshires.
I say Berkshires.
I know we can debate.
But you say
I
Berkshires.
say Berkshires. But look,
I
we
say
can
Berkshires.
we can debate Berkshires. So we're going to start there. Massachusetts, really perfect for fall foliage, cultural attractions, outdoor adventures. We suggest going to the top of Mount Greylock. It's the tallest peak in Massachusetts, 3,500 feet up. You can drive up there through the end of October or take a hike. They also have the Berkshire Scenic Railway, which is a vintage car. You do like an hour-long train ride out into the town and really see the fall foliage. I think the Berkshires are absolutely beautiful. Mass Mocha, known for its contemporary art and some Kiefer Solowitt. And then the hotel Downstreet, it's right in the heart of North Adams, $170 a night. You can walk everywhere. They've got a pool, a hot tub on site, contemporary rooms, and it's pet friendly. I think pet friendly travel is a real trend right now. A lot of people want to bring their dogs with them, so definitely don't miss the Downstreet, because they also bring in local artists into the studios and galleries on site to really embrace the contemporary art scene.
That's great. All right, the next one is a trip for the whole family down in Louisville.
Louisville, Kentucky. I love Louisville. We just actually covered it in the October issue of Travel and Leisure, and summer is really hot. So this time of year, it's getting into the shoulder season. The fall foliage is beautiful. There's Iroquois Park. What I love about this, they do the Jack-o'-lantern spectacular event for families. 5,000 pumpkins, all decorated by artists.
Real pumpkins?
Real pumpkins.
Wow.
And all the tickets that the proceeds go back to the Park Conservancy. I don't know if you know this, but Frederick Law Olmsted designed Iroquois Park, which is really special. Something interesting. Also the Bourbon Trail, a little bit more adult attraction. Bardstown, which we feature in the magazine. I think you're a big bourbon.
Love a good bourbon.
The Bernheim Arboretum is really special. You can do a canopy walk. And then the Hotel Genevieve is in Nulu, which is sort of the up-and-coming, trendy area, $229 a night. Vintage finds in the rooms. They've got a speakeasy downstairs, so you can do a little bit more bourbon tasting. But I think this is a fun gem, and Louisville is definitely on the rise.
One of the places I think every American needs to see. Mount Rushmore.
Yes.
And but I would have never thought about going there in the fall.
This is the shoulder season, because in the summer it's really, really popular with tourists, and the weather is a little bit cooler. I really love this part of the country. You can go see Mount Rushmore. There are 5 National Park Service units in this area.
Rapid City, South
Dakota. Really, really special. You can go to the top of Black Elk Peak, see the Black Hills. It's 1 million acres. Really a sacred ground for the Native American community. You can go see the Crazy Horse Memorial. They're doing programming for Native American Day, Indigenous Peoples Day this year. And then the Hotel Alex Johnson is in downtown, $74 a night, a steal.
Wow.
Really.
Wow. It's unbelievable.
It's unbelievable. And it's a historic property. It was built in 1928. Presidents have stayed there. Celebrities have stayed there. They have this cool Germanic Tudor architecture, and then also Native American heritage incorporated into the property, multiple restaurants, contemporary design. They've updated it. So have you stayed?
I have. In fact, their presidential suite actually has had 6 presidents.
Oh my gosh.
Stay in it.
And Al Roker.
Really quickly, let's go to New Mexico, because Santa Fe is really hot right now as well.
Santa Fe, and actually I should say on my birthday, October 14th, the annular eclipse is happening. The Ring of Fire eclipse, celestial travel is really big. We're suggesting if you want to see it, go to Santa Fe. It's a great time of year to go. So many amazing museums like the International Folk Art Museum, the Georgia O'Keeffe Museum, and El Rey Court is a special Southwestern style motor lodge. It's on the old Route 66, $207 per person per night. Really unique property.
Jacqui, thank you. Really quickly, you mentioned shoulder season twice. For folks who aren't really plugged into the travel world, what is shoulder season?
It's off-peak, so it's basically in between seasons. Like, you know, if you think about it, summer is really popular, winter is really popular, fall is shoulder season, and it's more affordable. You get more, get better rates.
You always bring the goods, Jacqui.
Thank you so
Jacqui.
much.
And love the fall-themed outfit.
I had to match for you.
All right.
You match the foliage.
Nicely done. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.